Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your account on iPhone. To know how to fix or how to solve your account on iPhone on Pinterest, you should just go to settings like this. We click. After that, in this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Pinterest. After that, you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. When you will see this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff, as you see here, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.